Guard wireless door chime. Unboxing and quick setup. It has wireless door chime, push button doorbell, double-sided tape and wall fixings, sticker, warranty card, and operating instruction. Simple and easy to install. Unlike other doorbell, there is no need for cables. It has different chime sound. You can choose what chime sound you prefer. Eye-catching backlight flashes when someone pushes the doorbell. Modern cream gloss finish suits any home or office decor. Shop now at the link in our bio.